So here we have all of our different amino acids. All of the amino acids, except for glycine, as we already said, are chiral, which means that they're not superimposable. And we see here glycine is the very first amino acid listed, but every single other amino acid has a larger R group or side chain or functional group than glycine. So you could see that each one of the different amino acids has a different chemical structure for their side chain, but I also really would like you to pay attention here and note that every single amino acid does have the amino group, which we discussed, the hydrogen group, and the carboxyl group. That is shared between every single one of the 20 amino acids, regardless of what their side chain is. Now, we have 20 amino acids. How do we talk about them? Although every one of the 20 amino acids is unique, they can be grouped into a couple of different groups. So the groupings used here are nonpolar amino acids, that is, side chains that do not have a charge. And we could see here that none of the side chains have a charge, and that a lot of the side chains are made up of carbon and hydrogens only. And again, carbons don't usually carry a charge, and hydrogens, when bound to carbons, do not carry a charge. So then we have the polar amino acids here in the middle. And again, we notice that they all have the amino group, the hydrogen, and the carboxyl group, which are common to all amino acids. Yes, I keep repeating it because it's important. But the side chains, again, those R groups are different from one another. And what they have in common is that a lot of them have electronegative, or a lot of them have oxygens, rather. And that is an electronegative element. And again, we said that all we need to know about electronegativity for our class is that certain elements are more electronegative, certain elements have a stronger tendency to pull